went to the creepy vending machine area in Japan and bought a mystery box. Stay until the end to find out what's inside of it. So, since I'm in Japan, I decided to go here because I used to watch videos all the time about the creepy vending machines. And I decided, how about I do it myself? So prepare for the most epic unboxing video that YouTube has ever seen. So, are you guys ready for the unboxing? No? Oh, okay then. Anyways, I'm with my friend Winnie. Winnie, say hi. Hi! So, to start off the unboxing video, we are going to take off the message first and read it. I think it's like some secret fortune type thing or something. It could say like, your future is this, or something like that, LOL. But Winnie knows Japanese, so she will translate what it says for us. If it is a fortune, I hope that it's good luck and not bad luck, because if it's bad luck, that would be very bad. I definitely do not want to be cursed by a vending machine. So, we can't translate this on camera, but feel free to translate it on your own if you want to. I will warn you, though, that it's a bit unsettling. So, now it's time for the actual unboxing part. Let's try and get this box open and see what's inside of it. And I'm just gonna keep yapping because I'm yapping and I don't even know what I'm saying, and I'm just yapping because there's nothing else to do. I'm just gonna keep yapping and yapping and yap and yes, yap. And I just don't know what I'm doing. Yap, 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 yap. So ignore that I just did that. And I'm not gonna bore you with more yapping. So I'm going to stop yapping and put in a song for you guys. Which is perfect timing because we finally managed to get the box open. Now let's see what's inside of it. Yay! By the way, I will link the song name and the video to the song in the description, because I know that many people have been trying to figure out what the hell the song name is for like 20 years. And it looks like it's some sort of animal crackers. Woohoo! Wow, they look so appetizing, right? I know you guys are agreeing with me. Now let's open up the animal crackers and see if it is animal crackers. Oh, that's an interesting gorilla with a sigma. Anyways, we're gonna open up the animal crackers now, and we will taste test them to see if they taste good or not. And as I mentioned earlier, Winnie knows Japanese. The translation of this, we can actually translate. It says, if you eat this, everyone will be happy. So now comes the part where we open up these and see what they are. And it looks like that we were correct. It is animal crackers. Ooh, there's stuff inside the box. Winnie says that it's like a puzzle or something. You can like try and translate this if you want to on your own time. We're just not gonna translate like the entire box. But yeah. And now comes the time where we open up the animal crackers and we are going to eat the animal crackers. Yay! Hopefully they taste good. The design is interesting. It looks like it's just like red and blue with circles. I know, so obvious. Now we're gonna try and open this, which was luckily easy to open. And it's time for your favorite part, taste testing. Yay! I'm so excited. Woo! I swear if they taste bad, I'm gonna be so angry. So I got a parrot and I am currently eating it right now. And it does not taste good. Like, it just tastes really bad. They are stale, and now Winnie's gonna try it, and I'll let her say how it tastes, because, like, she's barely talked in this video.
Kind of tastes like sand a little bit, not gonna lie.
So, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. And, like, since this is, like, my first time ever making an unboxing video, let me know what you thought of it in the comments. The important video will come up soon. I just had to do this video first because, like, I'm only seeing Winnie for, like, one day, and I needed to squeeze this video in. But I promise that the important video is coming up, and it will happen soon.